The trial has begun between Megan Thee Stallion and Milagro Cooper, aka Milagro Gramz. What's up to this Heaven Hollywood back on IE Network? This is the Heaven Hollywood Report, and let's get to it. The trial has begun today. They picked the jury, they did opening statements, and Milagro even took the stand. So let's get with Megan Cuniff and let us know what happened.
I'm here at the federal courthouse in Miami where Megan Thee Stallion is going to go on trial in her defamation lawsuit against Milagro Cooper. Megan and Milagro are both going to be here this morning, and they're going to do jury selection. They might even get to opening statements this afternoon. This is a trial about whether Milagro is defaming Megan when she says that Megan lied in her trial about Tory Lanez shooting her. Now, the jury is going to be told that Tory Lanez refused to answer questions about how he met Milagro during a deposition from prison that's related to this case. The judge last night held him in contempt along with his lawyer, ordered him to pay $20,000. Lanez refused to answer how he first met Milagro, whether he's ever communicated with Milagro, and whether he sent Milagro Instagram direct messages or text messages. Now, this is the second adverse inference instruction against Milagro. There is another one saying that she intentionally deleted text messages and that jurors can view it the wrong way. Is this the Megan Thee Stallion trial team?
Yes, I'm John O'Sullivan.
Hi.
How are you? I know who you are. I've seen your stuff.
Thank you. Good to meet you. Good to meet you. Anything to say before you go in? All right. I'm heading into the courthouse. I've got an article up on legalaffairsandtrials.com that really lays out the land for this trial, and I'm going to be giving you guys more updates as the day goes on and the week goes by. Thank you.
Great. Look at those fabulous shoes.
Talk about that.
Where are the shoes from?
Tasha K said I'm a she and hoe, but these from Fashion Nova. Okay. Cold, Fashion Nova, these cold.
How do you like Miami? How do you feel they're treating you at the trial?
But Miami is like, thank you. Miami.
It's not bad.
Not bad at all. I love Miami.
I do like you.
Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
How's it going, Megan?
You look lovely. Thanks for being so kind with the photographers today.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
All right, good luck.
Court is over for the day. Milagro was the first witness, and she is going to be back on the witness stand tomorrow to keep testifying. We haven't gotten to cross-examination yet, but it's actually Megan's lawyer who's questioning Milagro right now. Now, Milagro's defense to the claim that she purposely promoted a fake video of Megan in a sexually explicit manner was that she thought the video was real. Jurors actually saw the video during Megan's lawyer's opening statement, and Megan's lawyer apologized for having to show it, but said that the jurors needed to see it because they need to see what Milagro was promoting. So I thought claiming that they thought the video was real was a pretty good defense to the claim of promoting an altered depiction because, how could they know that Milagro actually thought it was fake? The problem is Milagro repeatedly speculated about whether the video was fake in her live stream when she was showing it. She even says, oh, this has to be AI. So her defense that she thought it was real is kind of negated by that. So they are back tomorrow at 9 a.m. Milagro will have more testimony. We'll get into cross from her lawyer, and then Megan is expected to testify. I am going to write an article for legalaffairsandtrials.com. Check it out.
Now, very interesting stuff. The first thing that Milagro's lawyer, Natasha Bien Amy, told the jurors in her opening was that, yes, Megan Pete was shot. But she said whether he did or not, that case, that tragedy, that happened in California. So basically saying it has nothing to do with my client, right? So they did inform the jury that Tory Lanez was being held in contempt of court because he refused to answer questions. All right, he has to pay $20,000. The jury was notified that he refused to answer questions. Mr. Peterson responded You know, they said sanctions could range from monetary fines through days in prison. And Tory Lanez responded, I got 10 years right now. You can do whatever you like to do. Third question, Mr. Peterson got up and told plaintiff counsel that he came in hot. She came in hot and failed, or something like that. So Tory Lanez is still, I'll tell you one thing, if you're a woman and you do something, Tory Lanez is going to protect you, because he's also he is not answering how he met Milagro. He's not answering if he ever spoke to her in DMs, and he's not answering whether he, sent her, any messages or what have you. So Tory Lanez is not giving up Milagro Gramz. He's not helping out at all. And he is, once again, paying for it, for not defending himself. And, I know a lot of people say, oh, he don't got to, this, that, and the other. But, dude, just answer the questions. I mean, this is why you're where you are right now, right? Now, as far as Milagro goes, I don't really know about that defense of, I thought it was real. People are saying that she said on her live, I didn't hear the live. People are saying she said on her live that she knew it was fake, or she thinks it's AI, or what have you. And then you have to worry about, if she's saying she thought it was real, will they then come back with, oh, so you do know revenge porn is a crime, right? I wonder, will they come back with that? Because if she says she thought it was real, and everyone knows that her and Megan Thee Stallion do not get along, they have a history, will they then say, so you were, revenge porn? So I don't really know, especially if she has said out in public that she thought it was fake. I would have to check into that, but multiple platforms said that she said she thought it was fake. So we're going to find out where this goes. They go back in tomorrow. Milagro will finish direct, and then I'm sure she'll be cross-examined. Right? So, very interesting case to see what happens here. I wish it didn't go this far, but we're here now, and nothing can be done about it. They're going to have to play the case out and see what happens. It's your boy Heaven Hollywood for the IE Network. Please like, comment, subscribe. Share this video with your friends. If you ask me who won the first day, I really can't say anyone won the first day, but the sanctions and stuff like that don't look good on Millie's behalf, and she didn't even do anything. It was Tory Lanez, and they're gonna be asking, oh, why doesn't he want to answer questions? But we're gonna find out what happens tomorrow in day 2. It's your boy Heaven Hollywood for the IE Network.
That's how you work it. That shit was brilliant.